Gusto. Inihuhulog ni Ana ang natirang maon sa alkansiya.
She's putting the extra money in her piggy bank.
Piggy bank, piggy.
Don't move, it will fall.
Tama.
You put X so that I can see. Oh,
Sure
next.
po. Next.
Bilugan. Yeah, bilugan.
Wait. Binibili agad ni Ben ang lahat ng laruan na gusto niya.
Oh. Do you understand?
I know that he is using all his money to buy toys.
Go tala, be serious.
Alright, the next, where am I? Number 3, naglalaan ng ipon ang pamilya buwan-buwan.
Oh, what do you understand that?
I don't know.
They save money every month.
For
Savings.
buwan-buwan.
Monthly. Oh, go. Tama o
Why
mali.
do they have to do monthly?
Yeah, to save money.
Monthly?
Oh.
Next, inuubos ni Carl Lowe ang pera sa mga hindi kailangan.
Oh, do you understand?
No.
He used the money for the things that he don't use. Spend money for the things that he don't use. Is that important? Is that
He
good?
spend
Yeah, is that good? Spending money?
for,
Nothing.
yes, it's good.
What's the answer, Harry? Spending money for nothing. Is that good?
Next.
Go, number 5. You answer now. Okay lang.
Kailang pa.
Go, number 5.
Next, nagtatabi si Elia ng pera para sa school supplies.
Oh, is saving money for school supplies.
Wait, I'm gonna show you.
Is that time for playing, ah?
I'm not playing. Always still me that. Example. Again.
You read.
I'll check if it's correct.
Read.
Number 5. Nagtatabi si Lia.
It's saving money for
No.
school supplies. 6. Nagpapalano
na ang pamilya bago mamali.
Oh. Before spending money, you have plans. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Next, nag-iip
Number 7.
ay binibili ni Tom ang lahat ng nakita niya.
Oh, do you understand? He's buying all the things that he saw.
Nag-iipo
Saving money for the
no,
future.
not the English. How do you say that?
Nag-iimpok. Saving money
Si Mia para
for the
sa
future.
what?
Oh, saving money for the future. Tama or mali?
Tama. What do I look like? Mommy, what am I doing in the future?
I don't know. You're working, of course.
No.
9. Hurry, Tala. You're still at first page.
Done. It's all on Tagalog.
Yeah. So that you learn Tagalog.
I don't even know what is Tagalog. In itinatapon ni Kim ang natirang barya.
Is throwing the money. Number 10.
Pinapahalagahan ni Joy ang kanyang naipong pera. What's that mean?
Pinapahalagahan.
What's in English?
The money that she saved, she's not using it for nothing. It's not good.
It's good.
Next.
Next.
Wala, there oh. Alkansya. What is alkansya?
I don't know.
You read so that you know.
I don't even know.
Piggy bank.
What? Paghahananda para sa hinaharap.
B. Paghahanda para sa hinaharap.
B?
B. No, you read also B.
Maaaring ilagay sa ipon.
Ilagay sa ipon. Piggy bank.
Line. Sinda. Next. Natirang baon.
Pag-iimpok.
Why? Where?
Lalagyan ng perang iniipon. Piggy bank. C.
You told me that. Don't
You read it all ah.
No.
Piggy bank, you're putting the money to save.
Why didn't you say so?
Para mapangalagaan ang pera.
Say, what is this?
Natitirang baon. Oh, your money.
What?
What will you do with the money?
Hahanda para sa
Pero
hinaharap.
natitirang baon, maaring ilagay sa ipon. Pagpaplano ng pamilya.
Plan.
Plan for the family. Pag-uusap tungkol sa gastusin. You need to plan about the expenses.
Next, saving account.
Para mapaglagyan ang pera, savings account. You need to save money. Lagyan ng perang iniipon pag-iimpok. Kung may natira kang 20 pesos mula sa baon mo, ano ang gagawin mo? Isulat ang iyong sagot. If you have 20 pesos left in your allowance, what will you do?
Save it. I save
Tagalog.
it for
Future.
for
Needs.
this way. I save it for Mother's Day. Done. Then, next,
Tama o hindi so that it's easy for you.
what is tama or hindi? For.
Tama o mali.
Why do they say mali?
It's just
Hindi.
the same. Go. Kumuha lamang
Lamang
ng pagkain kayang ubusin.
in English.
Just get food that you can eat. Tama o mali?
Tama. T only. Next. Pinababayaan ni Ana na bukas ang gripo habang nagsisipilyo. What?
The faucet is open while brushing your teeth. Wasting water.
No, wait.
Go na tayo.
We have not yet done that. You feel what
Wasting
You
time.
feel what I'm writing.
Go.
What does
Tama
it
o
mean?
hindi? No.
How do you know?
Oh, is it tama? Tama o hindi?
Oh.
Hindi.
Inaalagaan ni Ben ang kanyang mga lapis at kuwaderno.
What is kwaderno?
I don't know.
He's taking care of his pencil and notebook.
I don't know.
Oh, tama o mali?
Tama or mali?
What's your answer?
Next. Bumibili si Carlo ng sabrang pagkain kahit hindi kayang ubusin.
He's buying a lot of food even though he cannot eat it all. He's just wasting it.
Wait, I got it wrong spelled.
Go next.
Pinapatay ni Leo ang ilaw kapag walang tao sa silid. What does silid?
Room.
Okay, go.
Turning off the light if there's no person.
In the room?
Yeah.
Yes. Next, itinatapon ni Tom ang natirang pagkain. What does that mean?
Throwing the food.
Dan ginagamit ni Molly ni Mia ang malinis na papel
Oh, he's using the clean paper.
for
While you have his space, he can use it for writing. Tama o? Writing.
for
Spelling, drawing.
good job. I tried to make tama.
Oh, 8.
Iwan ng nakabukas ng na $20 si Joy kahit walang tao.
They
What?
left the
Cellphone?
fan without using it. Tama o hindi?
Where did they go then?
That's only the story then. That's what they're asking. Tama o hindi?
They left the fan open?
Yeah. Without someone using it. Tama o mali? Ay, tama o hindi?
Oh, tama or mali. It's hard to write.
Next.
Wait.
Hello, shoppers.
Okay, done.
Next.
Burger at the City Food Hall on the second level of SM City Laonan. Enjoy great food and plenty of choices all the way
Iniinom ni Kim ang sapat na tubig at hindi ito sinasayang.
He is drinking the water. He's not wasting it.
I am.
Oh, is that good?
Because it's full.
Ay, tala. Just get what you can drink. Go. Tama o hindi?
No thanks. So that I can get the
Tama o hindi?
Iningatan ni Liza ang kanyang mga gamit sa paaralan.
He's taking care of his stuff for the school. Tama o
Food
hindi?
supplies.
Yeah. If write properly.
What you gonna
Later.
say? No, what you gonna say? Mommy,
What?
you said if, and then you say no.
Okay. Because if you decide, no more.